Welcome to another episode of This Is Anything Goes. So today we are going to be working on the Proton Inspira aka Mitsubishi Lancer 08, and we will be changing the front absorber for the bonnet. Now, your car may not come with it stock. Mine was actually in stock aftermarket, but it has been many years and it no longer holds the bonnet seat. So I'll be changing that. Now, a little bit of talk here. Okay, so the one thing that I won't be changing would be this bracket. Now the kit comes with this bracket, but I'm maintaining this bracket because at least this is painted. Else you will need to actually install the bracket, which is held on by two bolts over here. 1 and 2. Now, when you want to install this bracket, make sure you only install one side at a time, and if you have a helper, make sure they help you hold the bonnet. This is actually something that you can do as a single person, but if you have two person, that makes it easier and safer. But always make sure you only remove these two bolts. Don't remove the other side first. You remove the other side, make sure this is bolted. Okay, so let's look at what the kit comes with. Okay, so the kit comes with 2 gas struts, 4 washers, 4 bolts, and 2 brackets. So I will not be installing this bracket, I'll be using this portion only. So let's get to it. We will first remove this bolt, which is a size 13mm. So what we will do next is we will use a size 13mm socket and put it underneath, and then a 12mm to loosen it from the top. Now that we have got the old struts out, it's time to put in the new one. So to install the top part, you need to put the washer over here. Then what you need to do is you need to lift the bonnet up a bit, just to give it the clearance to go in. Then you will put the bolt through. "12mm on this side to hold it, 13mm to tighten it. Okay, even with one installed, it seems that it's holding the bonnet in place, but I'm going to be doing that, and it's exactly the same as how we do it on this side. So let me get that done and we'll talk about this project. Okay, so we're done. As you can see, the bonnet can hold by itself. I do not need the stand anymore. This is good. Okay, as you can see, this can hold by itself already. It even pushes it up at certain angle and it holds at certain angle. It no longer falls down like it used to. So in terms of this DIY, it cost me about 75 ringgit and probably about 10 minutes per side. Well, the hard part was actually the bottom here, which is you have to angle your fingers creatively to hold the bolt, to hold the nut in order to remove the bolt. And this is the O1. The O1 is from Lancer EX, if you can see it. I'm not too sure about the camera. And yeah, I've been using this for many years and it has given up on me. What can I say? Very simple DIY. Loving it. More space for me to actually do things on the engine bay. Without this. Okay, 75 ringgit and 10 minutes later, 20 minutes later, everything's good. Again, like I said, I didn't change the hinge because I already have one over here. But if you have not installed this before, you will need to actually install the hinge, the bracket, which means, as I say, a safety precaution. If you have 2 person, it's good. If you have 1 person, make sure you only do one side at a time. Okay, so as usual, if you like this video, make sure you hit the like button. If you dislike it, you can always hit this, but leave us a comment down below on what to improve further. And if you have not done so, which many of you have not done so, make sure you hit the subscribe and like and the bell button so you get notified on our next upload, next video, whichever it is. I love you and see ya.